Let's see how we can use the NETWORKDAYS.INTL function in Google Sheets. First, we need to go to Google Sheets by clicking on Sheets from Google Apps. Let's click on Blank Spreadsheet. This creates and opens a blank sheet called Untitled Spreadsheet. We will rename this for easy future access to NETWORKDAYS.INTL function. Let's create our data. Say we have project start date in column A, project end date in column B, effective work days in column C, and holiday list in column E. Let's say the start date is 29th of April 2024, which is a Monday. Let's say the end date is next Monday, which is 6th of May 2024. Let's add 1st of May 2024 in holiday list. Let's add a few more holidays to the holiday list. Say, 20th of May 2024. (22nd of June 2024). Let's add another project start date as 1st of May 2024 and end date as 31st of May 2024. Yet another project is from 1st of June 2024 to 30th of June 2024. We will use the NETWORKDAYS.INTL function to get effective workdays. NETWORKDAYS.INTL function gives networking days between two dates. It takes start date, end date, optional weekend, and optional holidays as arguments. An example is shown, where the start and end dates are given as strings, weekend is taken as 1, and holidays are taken as A1 to A10 list. The function returns the number of networking days between two provided days excluding specified weekend days and holidays. In our case, project start date is the start date, and project end date is the end date. Weekend we will take as 1 and holidays as E2 to E4. Let's lock the row and column of holiday list. After autofilling, we get the effective work days for the other two projects as well. Let's do some formatting of the data. Now if we see, the project start date is 29th of April 2024, and the project end date is 6th of May 2024, if we count the effective working days between these two dates, 1, 2, 1st May is holiday, 3, 4, 4th and 5th May are weekends, specifying 1 takes Saturdays and Sundays as weekends and 5, same as we get using the formula. If we check for the next project, the start date is 1st May and the end date is 31st May. If we count the effective workdays, 1st May is a holiday, 1, 2, 4th and 5th May are weekends, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11th and 12th May are weekends, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18th and 19th May are weekends, 20th May is a holiday, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, same as we get using the formula. For the next project, 1st June is the start date, and 30th June is the end date. 1st and 2nd June are weekends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8th and 9th June are weekends, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15th and 16th June are weekends, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 22nd and 23rd are weekends, also 22nd is a holiday, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 29th and 30th June are weekends. Let's learn more about the NETWORKDAYS.INTL function. We can specify the start and end date by using the date function, which takes year, month, and day as the arguments. We can leave out weekend and holidays as these are optional. Weekend is taken as 1 by default. Weekends can be specified using 7 zeros and 1s, where the first number in the set represents Monday and the last number is for Sunday. A 0 means that the day is a workday, a 1 means that the day is a weekend, 00000011 would mean Saturday and Sunday are weekends. Number method. Instead of using the string method above, a single number can be used. 1 equals Saturday and Sunday are weekends, 2 equals Sunday and Monday, and this pattern repeats until 7 equals Friday and Saturday. 11 equals Sunday is the only weekend, 12 equals Monday is the only weekend, and this pattern repeats until 17 equals Saturday is the only weekend. Holidays. A range or array constant containing the dates to consider as holidays. The values provided within an array for holidays must be date serial number values, as returned by n or date values, as returned by date value or to underscore a date. Values specified by a range should be standard date values or date serial numbers. Suppose now we change the weekend argument from 1 to 11, we get 6 effective work days instead of 5 because now only Sunday is considered the weekend. Let's change it back to 1. Now suppose, we omit the weekend and holidays, weekend is taken as 1, default value, and no holidays are taken as nothing is specified, we get 6 effective workdays. Let's change it back. With this, we have successfully learned how to use NETWORKDAYS.INTL function to find the effective working days between a start and end date given a list of holidays and weekends in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.